I think one of the questions on chat is also around how do you ensure security in this type of scenario?
I'm so glad you asked that question. So, two things on this. It really depends on the client you're using here. You have a couple of different options, particularly for telephony right now, because it's a demo. If I gave this number to you, you can call and ask all the same questions for the Salesforce data. You can also ask questions about GPTfy. We have fed it our knowledge base because it's a demo or it's just really a developer org that I'm going against. In the production world, the way this will work is we will do a reverse authentication based on the number that's calling. It can also be through a one-time password that is texted to you. So it really depends on the client implementation. Everything else you see here, including like Copilot, Teams, Slack, WhatsApp. So most of these demos that we've created or the apps that we have, like the Copilot one, they're basically just using a single sign-on. So it is a SSO into the customer's Salesforce org and the Copilot or Teams or whatever you're using, Slack, right? So the authentication for all of these others is pretty straightforward. For telephony, it is just because of the medium that you have to take a different approach. Again, it's definitely one thing to look at a demo. It's a whole different thing to put things in production. And we have a ton of customers who are regulated sector, large financial services, insurance. Those are the mainstay of our business. We do a lot of work in those sectors. So security is super important to them. Trust me, the reason we get to sell our product and have some really large enterprises is because in our architecture, you don't have to trust us, right? I'm not in your sales source. Like I have no direct access. GPTfy team has no direct access to this. You're not running on my LLM in my infrastructure. So we have no direct access here. These are your channels. So architecturally, what we are doing is this integration here, which is again, a very standards-based approach. It's a basic single sign-on based authentication driven approach that is integrating all of this.